Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the engine oil, oil filter and air filter on Toyota Auris 1.4 petrol. First we're going to remove the engine oil cap and then I'll show you where the oil filter is. The oil filter is located on the bottom of the engine. It's located right there, so we need to get to it from the bottom of the car. So now we're underneath the car. This is the oil drain plug that we need to remove to drain the oil, and this is the oil filter. First we're going to remove the oil drain plug to start draining the oil. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video you will find links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Once we drain the oil, we can start removing the oil filter and replace it with a new one. Now we're going to put on the new oil filter. This is the part number for it. Make sure you lubricate the O-ring before you put on the new oil filter. And when you tighten it, only hand tighten it as much as possible. Don't use any tools. Once all the oil drains, we're going to put on the drain plug and tighten it. Before I start filling the new oil in, first I'll show you the oil specifications for this car. The preferred oil grade is 5W30, filling capacity 4.2 liters, some bolt torque 37 Newton meters and our filter torque is 13 Newton meters. Next I'm going to remove the oil filler cap and put in around 4 liters of oil. Once I add 4 liters of oil, I can start the car so that the oil filter gets filled in, and then I can take out the oil dipstick and check the level of the oil. This is the oil dipstick right there. You can clean it with a cloth and check the level of the oil. Min and max level of the oil is in between the two holes. Next we're going to replace the air filter. The air filter housing is right there. To remove the air filter cover we need to remove this clamp and then another clamp on the other side, and take out the air filter housing and remove the air filter and replace it with a new one. This is the new air filter and the part number for it. Now we're going to put it on and put the clamps on, and then we're done with replacing the engine oil, oil filter and air filter. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.